So hi guys, today we're gonna plant like 100 seeds. I mean 100 carrot seeds.
Tayo na rin ang mag-iimbestiga. Ano pa ang pinagkaiba nito sa sumbong sa Pangulo website? Katakot-takot na investigasyon, pwede makasuhan na. Kaya sabi nga ni Chairman, maglowa na yung BIR na yan. So maybe you can explain to us the internal audits. Otherwise, we have nothing to look forward to except continued failed flood control projects. So meron pa akong isang tanong na at ito yung mahiwagang master plan. Ilang beses na natin tinatanong. Hindi naman mag-uumpisa to sa zero. Alam naman natin.
Look at my moon melons. Never mind, these are not moon melons, but they're like moon melons. They're like my precious strawberry, which is like moon melons. Okay, here we're gonna fill it up with some carrots. If it doesn't fit this much carrots, then I'm just going to do it in part 2. Because there's a part 2. I can't do speed because I don't know how to speed it.
Wala na akong ipin.
Ha?
Wala na akong ipin.
Papunta natin.
This takes a bit a lot. This takes super fast to grow, so I'm not gonna wait a lot. Yeah.
Masakit yung ngipin ni Mami. Pabunod daw siya ulit. Be. Yeah. Yeah.
This is so...
Sabi mo masakit ba? Sumasakit yung chan mo, ha?
Okay.
Ha? Kasi nasabi, grabe siya.
This is so cool. Bro, this is so many. Almost...
Asan yung name mo na cool? Asan yung name mo na cool? Kulit talaga.
Guys, sorry, it's because of my father.
Cool talaga siya.
Sorry, because I was AFK, because... It's because of my father.
Naririnig ka ba nila?
Yeah, I'm using my microphone right now.
Naririnig nila ako.
Giant carrot! Oh my god.
Us muna tayo.
Okay, whatever.
Naririnig ka nila, be? Saan yung microphone? Asan?
We have 99 seeds
Asan yung mic?
left.
Be?
We're gonna put it
Ay,
here
naririnig
now.
ka nila?
Yeah?
Asan yung mic mo? Up mo nga yung mic?
Wala
No!
Daddy. Tapos na lang to Wala na eh.
Wala kang plastic na.
Walang plastic. Hindi ako nagbukas na. Tawag dito, nalaladig ako pala.
Look at my giant thing. Here next.
Coordinate, narinig rin
I
natin
don't care
na
about
meron
part
daw
2
mga
anymore,
master
bro.
plan
I
and
don't care about
feasibility
part 2
studies for the 21
anymore.
major river basins of the country. Asa na ba tayo sa master plan?
I don't
Meron
know,
pa ba
but y'all
tayong,
can speed this
makukuha
up.
dyan
I
sa
don't know how
archive ng
people can
DPWH
speed
kung
this
saan
up,
ang
okay?
balita, ang turnover?
But I can speed the thing up because I don't know.
Tayong master plan sa
Yeah, bro,
near
I'm not
future.
a
Huwag sa
real
napakalayo.
YouTuber.
Kasalukuyan
I'm not
po
a real
ina-update
YouTuber.
ng, UPMO flood control.
My cousin is a real YouTuber.
Sa 18 major river basins.
This is my
Yun lang,
favorite
yung pa lang,
part,
yung
suffering.
river pa lamang. Kapag
Never
river
mind.
system po, major river system.
That's just a
yun pa lang.
bonus.
Yun po yung pero yung national, wala pong singular, sabi nga po ni Secretary.
Whatever, let's just put everything
wala pong
bonus.
singular na master plan para sa buong Pilipinas dahil iba-iba po yun. Wala ba kayong, di ba dapat kayo magtatag ng committee,
I hope the carrot
task
seeds are
force, ano
literally
man ang
done
tawag,
at the end of this
upang
video.
magkaroon
Never
ng
mind.
integrated, comprehensive national master plan? Wala bang balak na
Okay.
meta?
Dami ba?
Paliwanag po dyan ng mga experts sa flood control. Bawat river po, may kanya-kanyang hydrologic characteristics.
Oh no, the beanstalk is blocking the way.
Kada hindi naman na, hindi
another
naman natin
huge
pinag-uusapan
one.
lamang
Okay,
ang mga
Umiiba na ito sa McDo.
pinag-uusapan natin ang lahat ng
Sa female ka ba umihi? Female, male?
ilog ang
Female.
nag-overflow,
Mag-isa lang siya?
kung ano-ano
Nasa pinto lang ako.
Kaya
Meron ba siya?
napunta
Oo,
tayo
ito.
sa ilog.
Ang ginawa mo, Beth?
At
Makinig ka ba kanina sa McDo, Beth?
United National na ang
Doon ako sa,
sinasabi
tuwing magkaan siya,
ninyo,
isisit siya sa bato, punasan niya ng tissue.
Ano naman yung
Pupul sa dire-diretso
Unified
eh, mama, may
Project
sip nun eh.
Management
Oh,
Flood
napunasan
Control,
mo?
hindi nagkakaisa.
Pinunasan niya, nakita mo?
Pinunasan mo ba, Beth?
Foreign
No.
finance.
Wala, sino nagpunas?
Ang foreign
No.
financing
Hindi ako. Pinunasan ko, di ba?
ng ating
Yes.
budget.
Pumasok ka din.
Billion. Ang World Bank
Nasa mo punas ang
binigay
punas.
sa ating mga
Ay,
projects.
that's all.
Authorized ba yan?
Wait! No, there's still 25!
Talaga bang may ginagawa tayo local projects, national project, pati na rin yung
See
ano,
that?
billion na mga
It's okay,
foreign
we have
assisted
chicken.
projects ng flooding.
Madam Chair, yung sa internal audit po, kung meron po
I hope this will turn viral.
Yung shout mamaya.
DPWH,
Tama UTI ito.
siguro po
Hindi siya
maganda
nagugulat.
And this will be copyrighted.
salita yung director ng UPMO, yung Unified Project Management Flood Control.
Si Director Mon
We're
Ariola pa rin niya.
And look at all my
Siguro, imbes
carrots.
na magsalita, mas maigi pang
They're so
na
good.
ipaliwanag niya
They're
kung ano ba ang
super
nagagawa
special.
nitong
Super good.
billion na hindi pa napapag-usapan
carrots.
kasi nakikita
Aren't they
lamang
so
namin
cute?
yung nasa GAA. Paano ba yung billion-billion sa World Bank? Meron pa dyan yung ODA loans. Meron pang ADB.
Bro, I can't believe I just
Saan ba
spent a
napupunta
lot.
yan? Siguro mag-submit muna siya.
That's 5 minutes! Oh my god!